Windows 11, KB5077181 not installing, stuck at 0% or 100%. If your February 2026 update build 26200.7840 is failing with error like 0x800f0922 or 0x80073712, you are not alone. This update has been super buggy. Let's fix it. First, the most powerful fix. Right click Start, tap Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin. Now listen carefully. I'm showing all the commands on the screen right now. Just type them exactly as you see them. Don't worry, I've also pasted every single command in the description box so you can copy and paste them easily. Now type this one by one and press enter after each. Restart your PC and try the update again. This clears the corrupted update cache where KB5077181 usually gets stuck. If you are getting error 0x800f0922 especially, type Windows feature in search, tap turn Windows feature on or off. Temporarily uncheck .NET Framework 3.5, Windows Sandbox, Hyper-V. Restart, install the update, then turn them back on. Still failing? Go to Settings, tap System, tap Recovery, find Fix Problem using Windows Update, tap Reinstall Now. This safely reinstall Windows without deleting your file and forces the patch to install properly. And honestly, if your PC is working fine, pause update for 2 weeks. Microsoft usually replaces buggy build quietly with a smooth version. Comment below what error code you are getting. Bye bye.